Welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to add custom notes to your invoices. On your left sidebar, click on your business name, then click on Settings. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Invoices. Here you can add all the information you want for your invoices, such as your logo, address, phone number, email, and also a default footer note. This footer note will be added to the bottom of each invoice, and you can edit this before creating each invoice, and I'll show you how this look like in a minute. Click Save. Now let's see how the invoice is going to look like. So on the left sidebar, click on Sales. Click on a sale that you want to create an invoice for. Click on the 3 points on the top right corner and select Create Invoice. Add the invoice date, due date, and here is the footer note that you can add or edit. Click on Create. And then once you click Open Invoice, you will be able to see how the information will look like in your invoice. This is how you can add custom notes to your invoices in Inventora.